Ergonomics, systematic study of people at work aim at in improving working situation and working condition and task performance, ensure harmony between worker activity and work environment. Harmony between worker activity and worker environment and becomes increasingly necessary and feasible with advancement in technology. Key principles चाहिँ human human operator are flexible, adaptable, and continuous learning, but have larger individual difference and physical size and strength, non-physical चाहिँ cultural skill and style. त्यसपछि गएर चाहिँ provide integrative solution for workplace problem and essential for sustainable worker in forest despite mechanization. Importance in forestry forest remains one of the most dangerous occupation and highly mortality rate and frequent accident and physically damaging, demanding 3D black collar job and decreasing labor market interest among younger generation and risk for forestry workers, harsh environmental condition, high physical load and risk from wild animals, forest fires, pest and disease and limited access to healthcare मा चाहिँ healthcare, road communication, noise and vibration from machinery and musculoskeletal nervous, vascular and auditory problems, unfavorable physiological condition, poor nutrition, hygiene and living facilities, improper and badly maintained tools leading to injury, heavy workers reduce productivity and ergonomics measure to improve forestry work, training and awareness, use of proper tools and training, worker health and welfare and workplace and safety management and अनि इम्पोर्टेन्ट भने चाहिँ रिस्क अफ फरेस्ट्री सेक्टर. अब इकोनोमिक्स मेजर इम्प्रुभ फरेस्ट यसमा चाहिँ trained workers before exposure to forestry task, ergonomics training to handle adverse condition, training in tools handling and professional safety and use of proper tools and techniques, improve tools for harvesting, current logging and silvicultural techniques and ensure safe use and proper storage tools and worker healthy welfare and educate nutrition in worker camp and incentives for worker and families and first aid kit during operations, safety gear for harvesting and silviculture, workplace and safety management, study worker background and wage, productivity, employment, living condition and inform team management member during filling operation for safety, provide wages and insurance according to standard. Summary चाहिँ proper application of ergonomics in forestry can reduce accident, disease, fatigue and increase opportunity. Focus on human centric work design, safety, health and efficiency, 18 छ सिल्भिकल्चर इन्भेस्टमेन्ट अन पब्लिक एन्ड प्राइभेट ल्यान्ड अफ नेपाल। सिल्भिकल्चर इन्भेस्टमेन्ट अन प्राइभेट ल्यान्ड की फ्याक्टर इन्फ्लुएन्सिङ इन्भेस्टमेन्ट टिम्बर प्राइस फ्युचर रेभिन्यू डिपेन्ड्स अन एक्सपेक्टेड टिम्बर प्राइस नेट प्राइस आफ्टर ट्याक्सेस एन्ड फी म्याटर युनिट सिल्भिकल्चर कस्ट डब्लु कस्ट अफ प्लान्टिङ टेन्डिङ प्रोटेक्सन युजली मार्केट डिटरमाइन्ड गभर्मेन्ट subsidies reduce cost encourage investment interest rate affect present value of future timber revenue and responsiveness of timber growth and QEE how growth responds to silviculture effort and other influence मा चाहिँ high taxes reduce incentives for afforestation and protection heavily government regulation or costly forest certification may reduce investment and lack of support may lead to idle or poorly stocked land landowner decision may use current timber price and proxy for expected future price and take advantage of subsidies to lower cost perform mineral government regulation for profitability and silvicultural investment on public land मा चाहिँ decision makers government agency or tenure holders files of contractor government manage public forest government agency conduct silvicultural operation using own labor and equipment private contractor funding through government appropriation project complete with other public sector education health infrastructure can lead to non-economic allocation of fund timber revenue sometimes use of silviculture but is often unstable public forest management by tenure holders government required undertake silviculture measures for its contract cost may remain board partially planning approved and inspection required and tenure holders responsibility after harvesting ensure seedling or small tree meet free to grow standard and silvicultural investment treat as cost of harvesting and cost of harvesting त्यसपछि tend to minimize investment to meet legal requirement and incentives limited for long-term forest productivity except for allowable cut benefit key point comparison decision makers landowners government tenure holders funding own money subsidies government budget revenue from timber and incentives मा चाहिँ profit driven legal requirement policy driven risk of underdevelopment high if tax or regulation are high and can occur if tenure holders only invest minimum require and efficiency based on future revenue sometimes non-economic due to bureaucracy or tenure rules and summary private investment depends on profitability subsidies cost and timber prices public investment depends on government policy, agency efficiency, and tenure agreement. And challenge balancing economic efficiency with forest protection and reforestation. त्यसपछि गएर सिल्भिकल्चर च्यालेन्ज एन्ड अप्सन इन द कन्टेक्स्ट अफ क्लाइमेट चेन्ज. च्यालेन्ज फर सिल्भिकल्चर चाहिँ क्लाइमेट भेरिएबिलिटी, राइजिङ टेम्परेचर एन्ड चेन्जिङ precipitation affect species stand development and ecosystem process. Uncertainty, multiple climate model exist, prediction vary, unknown ecosystem response to climate change and silvicultural treatment. Rapid climate change may exceed forest response capacity. And species and stage specific vulnerability, not all species or forest stage respond equally to stress. Extreme event, drought, fire, snow may disproportionately affect certain species or stand. And interaction with other stressor, invasive species, pest, disease, and physical disturbance may be magnified under climate change. Forest complexity, stress, decreasing tree stand vigor, increase sustainability to secondary damage, pest, pathogen, and fire. Individual tree physiology and stand structure determine resilience. And silvicultural response and adaptation. Maintain forest vigor, balance site resources, water, nutrient, light with tree demand, mitigate local environmental stress, and promote diversity and resilience. And use diverse specific species and genotypes depends to historical condition. And restore native plant community within natural variation range. And landscape scale approaches, apply treatment strategically across stand and landscapes. And address climate related threat at multiple spatial and temporal scales. फरेस्ट म्यानेजमेन्ट अप्सन्समा चाहिँ डेन्सिटी म्यानेजमेन्ट, थिनिङ एन्ड भेजिटेसन म्यानिपुलेसन टु ब्यालेन्स साइट रिसोर्स एभाइलेबिलिटी एन्ड डिमान्ड. बेनिफिट चाहिँ इन्क्रिज स्ट्यान्ड प्रोडक्टिभिटी बाई फेभरिङ लार्ज हेल्थियर ट्री, रिड्युस कम्पिटिसन एन्ड स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड मोर्टालिटी. एन्ड अल्टर माइक्रो क्लाइमेट, रिड्युसिङ पेस्ट pathogen damage, lower wildfire risk by removing axial fuel, and can include variable density thinning for biodiversity and habitat varieties. And bima managing composition, restoring component species, reintroduce species lost due to land use change, management and invasives. And मेथडमा चाहिँ रिटेन्सन ड्युरिङ थिनिङ, रिमुभल अफ कम्पिटिटर्स, इन्भेसिभ्स, एक्टिभ प्लानिङ एन्ड सिडिङ, एन्ड फेभरिङ एडप्टेबल स्पिसिस जिनोटाइप्स, एन्ड प्रमोट स्पिसिस रेसिलिएन्ट टु प्रोजेक्ट environmental change, drop fire temperature and extremes. Consider physiological trait, e.g. thicket bark and root sprouting. Limitation, current adaptation may not match rapid future change. And adding new species and genotype assigned चाहिँ migration. Introduce species genotypes along climate gradient to enhance adaptive capacity. Use regeneration opportunity post harvest or disturbance to expand gene pools. Approach should be cautious initially with short distance transfer and reducing threat मा चाहिँ biotic threat, insect disease, invasive species, sanitation, harvest, chipping, burning debris, integrated pest management, physical threat, fire, wind storms, landslides, flood, and fuel management, slope stabilization, runoff moderation, and landscape scale treatment मतलब targeted special application increase effectiveness and 20 to 30% of landscapes for fire resilience and retreatment over time ensures sustainability and key point चाहिँ adaptation depend on species stand and stage and landscapes context and silvicultural strategy should enhance resilience and reduce vulnerability and diversity density management composition adjustment and threat mitigation are core tools. Effective adaptation requires and long term landscape skills planning. त्यसपछि गएर सिल्भिकल्चर च्यालेन्ज एन्ड अप्सन अन्डर क्लाइमेट चेन्ज. च्यालेन्ज अफ क्लाइमेट चेन्ज फर सिल्भिकल्चर चाहिँ प्रोडिक्ट इन्क्रिज इन टेम्परेचर एन्ड चेन्ज इन precipitation cause variables climate and weather patterns. Uncertainty is high due to multi-climate models. 23 जनरल सर्कुलेसन 23 भन्दा बढी जनरल सर्कुलेसन मोडल्सहरू हुन्छन्. अननोन इकोसिस्टम रिस्पोन्स टु क्लाइमेट चेन्ज, अननोन फरेस्ट रिस्पोन्स टु सिल्भिकल्चर म्यानिपुलेसन अन्डर अल्टर्ड कन्डिसन and tree species and forest type differ in sensitively, not at species tolerate change in temperature or moisture. Some stages of tree stand development are more vulnerable, seedling and young tree, interaction with other factors, pest, disease, invasive species, wind, snow, fire can compound impact and forest complexity मा चाहिँ reduce tree stand vigor, increase vulnerability to secondary stressor and climate directly affect pest population, fire frequency and physical disturbance. Silviculture and climate change मा चाहिँ vulnerability varies by forest type and development stage. Adaptability depends on individual physiology, community interaction, stand structure and tree composition, competition, and silvicultural goal maintain balance between site resources availability and demand, mitigate environmental stress and strategy मा resource composition and structure to enhance resilient and adaptive capacity. अब scale of implementation state scale treatment are most effective when applied in a selected context and forest management option in the context of climate change. अब option है त density management, thinning and vegetation manipulation to balance site resource and demand, and conventional thinning, removal smaller less desirable tree, allocate resources to larger productive tree, variable density thinning, enhance species diversity, provide variety habitat and increase biodiversity. Other benefit, reduce wind, pathogen and pest impact and lower understory competition, reduce wildfire risk, and managing composition, managing composition, restoring component species, reintroduce species lost due to land use or invasive species, and retain during thinning, remove competitors or actively planted or seed, timing before substantial climate change occurs, and favoring adaptable species and genotypes, promote species resilience to drought, temperature, extreme or fire, trait, thick, thick bark, sprouting ability, water use efficiency, and limitation मा चाहिँ adaptation evolve historically may not matches future rapid change, and 3 मा adding new species and genotype मा assistance migration, and चाहिँ move species or genotype also climate gradient to enhance adaptation, plant diverse species genotype to expand gene pool and resilience, use reforestation or post disturbance opportunity for adaptation, and C मा छ reducing threat चाहिँ biotic threat physical or landscape scale approach चाहिँ biotic threat pest disease invasive species method चाहिँ sanitation harvest chipping and burning debris integrated pest management, and physical threat मा fire wind flooding landslide method चाहिँ fuel reduction slope stabilization and runoff control, landscape scale approach मा चाहिँ treat 20 देखि 30% of landscape strategically for fire fuel management, and retreatment needed every 15 देखि 20 years for effectiveness. Key takeaways चाहिँ climate change introduce uncertainty and variability, species stand and site response difficulty, silviculture should aim to resilient diverse factor, forest with balanced resource use, proactive adaptation include density management, composition restoration, and selection of adaptable species, threat reduction at stand and landscape scales. Landscape scale planning is critical for effective long-term adaptation. 20 मा छ role and application of economic model in forestry management, role and application of economic model in forest management, importance of economic model in forestry. Forest production involve complex biological and physical interaction over long period, multiple intervention, thinning, harvesting, complete production, prediction of outcomes, and conflict are arise due to multiple product service, diverse ownerships and objective, different silviculture systems. Economic model helps चाहिँ plan and schedules management intervention, and predict growth and yield, and evaluate forestry against alternative land use, optimize management decision, rotation, thinning, pruning and harvest, value market and non-market forest product, and basic concepts चाहिँ land and time are the major production factor in forestry. Choice of land use depends on maximum utility profit for owners, physical and chemical suitability of the land, and economic determines most profitable land use, and best management strategy to achieve objectives, and Postman formula basis forest economic model मा चाहिँ computate land expectation value or land rent, maximum an investor could pay for bare land to earn a minimum acceptable rate of returns, and assumption for validity. Perfect capital market investor can lead borrow at a known constant interest rate, known future timber price and cost, constant and predictable, and no future timber yield, constant growth. Perfect land market, land can be bought, sold and rented, and application of economic model फर्स्ट मेन फर्मुला चाहिँ कार्बन सिक्वेस्ट्रेसन, सिल्भिकल्चर इन्भेस्टमेन्ट, अप्सनल रोटेसन एज थिनिङ एन्ड प्रुनिङ, हार्भेस्टिङ इन सेलेक्सन फरेस्ट. कार्बन sequestration, calculate compensation for private forest, and analyze under policy or regulatory uncertainty, and optimum rate rotation is भने determine best harvesting is for maximum return, and thinning and pruning भने decide intensity and frequency for productivity, and harvesting in selection forest भने optimum harvest amount, and residual growing stock and diameter distribution. त्यसपछि गएर फरेस्ट कन्भर्जन, cost effective analysis of changing land use, and valuation भने market and non market forest product, risk assessment भनेपछि evaluate uncertainty of different forest management incentives intervention, and key takeaway भने economic model provide a quantitative basis for forest management decision, and first main formula is central to evaluating land value and optimal management strategy, and help balance economic, ecological and policy consideration in forestry. And 26 मा science policy interaction in forest sector of Nepal, challenge in science policy link चाहिँ researcher and policy maker often operate in separate world with different assumption and approaches. Communication gaps limit deliberation and mutual understanding. Policy makers face complex political and environmental contexts and may not demand research, and researchers sometimes assume their work in inherently policy relevant, and which may not be true. Lack of mechanism to burning researcher and policy makers together in Nepal. Policy decision often rely on political negotiation rather than scientific evidence. Example, despite decades of research of community forest, policy uptake is slow and contested. Okay, rapid political change, ruled out migration, climate change and sustainable development goal agendas further complicated the interfere. Okay, application to improve science policy interaction चाहिँ informing, providing data and evidence to policy actor, collaborating joint planning and decision making, and co-creatives, informing, collaborating, co-creatives limitation, research and policy designed together, and limitation, context specific realities often ignored, and reducing effectiveness. And attempt in Nepal मा चाहिँ adaptive collaborative management early 2000 चाहिँ aim to influence policy for forest based in livelihood, brought local and meso level innovation to national policy discussion, and success in collaborative planning and marginal empowerment, limited policy uptake, not scale nationally, वन चौतरी फरेस्ट फोरम वन चौतारी फरेस्ट फोरम 2010 11 organize 9 event over 2 year on selected forest policy issue, process identify issue, rapid diagnosis analysis, policy dialogue, synthetic report and media dissemination. Strength: help policy actors understand issue, consequences of inaction and policy options. Weakness: weak link between understanding, interaction and actual decision, limited engagement with key political actors, and reducing poverty through innovation system in forest sector 2008 देखि 11 funded by UK government research into use program implemented by consortium NGO, university, media and CSO private sectors, and focus saying translated late research into actionable policy for community livelihood, and strength demonstrates research value to communities, media and private sector. Weaknesses: minimum influence on national policy due to resistance policy worldwide worldview and limited research capacity. नेपाल policy research network NPRN 2010 ले चाहिँ about research oriented organization together for policy debate, organize 20 policy dialogue event across sector: economic, hydropower, agriculture, health and irrigation, disaster management, and चाहिँ strength गर्छ expanded policy debates, promoted research informed deliberation. Weakness: lack of clean vision, weak institutional collaboration, limited funding, declining influence, and key lessons are effective science policy interaction requires mutual understanding of need and constraint of both sides, institutionalized mechanism for engagement, context specific approaches, not one size fit all, and sustained effort over time to influence policy. Any evidence show collaborative approach ACM, Bon, Chautari, RPISF improve comprehensive but rarely translated into policy without institutional buy-in. And forest statistics of Nepal say forest definition Forest Act 2076 2019 forest means an area fully or partially covered by trees. Technical definition मा DFRS 2006 चाहिँ एरिया 0.5 हेक्टर भन्दा बढी 0.5 हेक्टर भन्दा बढी, मिनिमम विथ 20 मिटर, ट्री क्राउन कभर 10% भन्दा बढी, ट्री हाइट चाहिँ 5 मिटर, म्याच्युरिटी भन्दा बढी. फरेस्ट कभरेज इन नेपाल टोटल फरेस्ट एन्ड ल्यान्ड क्याटेगोरिज फरेस्ट 40.36%, 5.96 million hectare, and other wooded land में 4.38%, 0.65 million hectare. Other land भने चाहिँ 55.26%, 8.16 million hectare, and total land area of Nepal is 14.77 million hectare. Total forest area including is 40.76 र 6.6 million hectare. एन्ड फरेस्ट डिस्ट्रिब्युसन बाई फिजियोग्राफिक जोन भन्नाले मिडिल माउन्टेनमा 38.80%, एन्ड हाई माउन्टेन एन्ड हाई हिमालमा चाहिँ 32.25, चुरेमा 23.04, तराईमा 6.9, ओदरवुड डिस्ट्रिब्युसन बाई फिजियोग्राफी जोन तराईमा 1.47, चुरेमा 3.58, मिडिल माउन्टेनमा 9.61, हाई माउन्टेन र हाई हिमालमा 85.42, फरेस्ट इनसाइड एन्ड आउटसाइड प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया चाहिँ आउटसाइड प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया 4.93 मिलियन हेक्टर 82.68%, इनसाइड चाहिँ 1.03 मिलियन र 17.32%, कोर एरिया चाहिँ 0.79 मिलियन हेक्टर र बफर जोन चाहिँ 0.24 मिलियन हेक्टर। समरी टोटल फरेस्ट एरिया 40.36% अफ कन्ट्री वुडेड के अरे अदर वुडल्यान्ड चाहिँ 4.38 र अदर ल्यान्ड चाहिँ 55.26। मेन रोल अफ एफआरए भने फरेस्ट कभर चाहिँ फरेस्ट अक्युपाइड 5.96 मिलियन हेक्टर 40.36 अफ द टोटल एरिया अफ द कन्ट्री। अदर वुडेड ल्यान्ड कभर 0.65 मिलियन 4.38% फरेस्ट प्लस अदर वुड टुगेदर रिस्पेक्टिभली 40.74% अफ द टोटल एरिया। आउट अफ द टोटल फरेस्ट एरिया आउटसाइड प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया 4.93 मिलियन हेक्टर 82.68 र इनसाइड प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया 1.03 मिलियन 17.32 हेक्टर। कोर एरिया चाहिँ 0.79 मिलियन हेक्टर र बफर जोन चाहिँ 0.24 मिलियन हेक्टर। एन्ड फरेस्ट डिस्ट्रिब्युसन बाई फिजियोग्राफिक रिजन मिडिल माउन्टेनमा 37.80%, हाई माउन्टेन एन्ड हाई हिमालमा चाहिँ 32.25%, चुरेमा 23.04% र तराईमा 6.9%। अदर वुडल्यान्ड डिस्ट्रिब्युसन बाई फिजियोग्राफी जोनमा तराईमा 1.47%, चुरेमा 3.5% र मिडिल माउन्टेनमा 9.61%, हाई माउन्टेन एन्ड हाई हिमालमा 85.42%। र ग्रोइङ स्टक अब हामी पढ्छौँ ग्रोइङ स्टक टोटल नम्बर अफ स्टिम डिबिएस चाहिँ 10 सेन्टिमिटरभन्दा बढी भएको चाहिँ 2563.27 मिलियन अर्थात् 429.93 पर हेक्टरहरू छ। र टोटल स्टिम भोल्युम 982.33 मिलियन मिटर क्युब र 164.76 मिटर क्युब पर हेक्टर। स्टिम भोल्युम पर हेक्टर बाई फिजियोग्राफिक रिजन चाहिँ हाई माउन्टेन एन्ड हाई हिमालमा चाहिँ 225.24 मिटर क्युब पर हेक्टर हाइजेस्ट र मिडिल माउन्टेनमा 124.26 मिटर क्युब पर हेक्टर लोएस्ट छ है त। तराईमा 161.66 मिटर क्युब पर हेक्टर र चुरेमा 147.49 मिटर क्युब पर हेक्टर। टोटल एबभ ग्राउन्ड एयर ड्राई बायोमास 1159.65 मिलियन टन्स 194.51 टन पर हेक्टर। एन्ड ग्रोइङ स्टक कार्बन स्टक चाहिँ टोटल कार्बन स्टक 1054.97 मिलियन टन्स एन्ड 176.95 टन पर हेक्टर। ट्री कम्पोनेन्ट लाइभ डेड स्ट्यान्डिङ एन्ड डेड वुड बिलो ग्राउन्ड बायोमास इज 61.53%, फरेस्ट सोइल 37.8% एन्ड लिटर एन्ड डेब्रिज चाहिँ 0.67%। एन्ड बायोडाइभर्सिटी 443 ट्री स्पिसिस आइडेन्टिफाई इन स्याम्पल प्लट बिलोङ्गिङ टु 239 जेनेरा एन्ड 49 फ्यामिली 443 वटा ट्री स्पिसिस पाइन्छन्। मिडिल माउन्टेनमा 326 स्पिसिस, चुरेमा 281, हाई माउन्टेन एन्ड हाई हिमालमा चाहिँ 275 र तराईमा 164 र फरेस्ट डिस्टर्बेन्स चाहिँ Surrey region has the highest disturbance including grazing, forest fire, landslide र bush cutting. Grazing, forest fire, landslide र bush cutting. Statistics from an national land cover mapping system monitoring system अनुसार चाहिँ developed to produce annual land cover map using consistent remote sensing database and flexible and operational for national level monitoring and previous report 2022 cover 2019 देखि 20 सम्म चाहिँ लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट 2000 cover 2020 देखि 2022 important for national and international reporting planning research and development and data source and methodology Landsat 578 इमेज प्रयोग गरेको ड्याम ट्री क्यानोपी हाइट ट्री क्यानोपी कभर ग्ल्याट युएमडी बाट ग्लेसियर एन्ड ग्लासिक लेक डाटाबेस इसिमोड बाट ल्याएको अनि बिल्ट अप एरिया एन्ड नाइट टाइम लाइट चाहिँ ओएसएम र एनएओ बाट ल्याएको मेथोडोलोजी बेसन इसिमोडमा सर्भियर एसकेएस बाट रिजनल ल्यान्ड कभर मोनिटरिङ सिस्टम 11 ल्यान्ड कभर क्लासेस आइडेन्टिफाइड एन्ड प्रोसेसिङ स्टेप्स इमेज प्री प्रोसेसिङ को भेराइटिज प्रिपरेसन supervise machines learning temporal something smoothing assemblies on Google Earth engine land cover statistics 22 BS 19 मा चाहिँ फरेस्ट एरिया 22 मा 43.38 छ भनेपछि 6349 6 लाख 10,000 लाख 63,79,341 हेक्टर छ भनेपछि वन 2019 मा चाहिँ 41.71 छ 61,52,806 हेक्टर एन्ड फरेस्ट प्लस अदर वुडल्यान्ड चाहिँ 46.08% छ भनेपछि प्लस 0.75 फ्रम 2019 बेयर रक्स स्नो ग्लेसियर रिभरबेड and built of water bodies bare soil 19% and 2019 मा dominant land cover forest 41.71 cropland 26.44 grassland 13.96 त्यसपछि गएर चाहिँ प्रोभिन्स लेभल फरेस्ट कभर चाहिँ 2022 मा बागमतीमा 58.63 लुम्बिनीमा 54.66 सुदूरपश्चिममा 51.38 र कोशीमा 46.23 गण्डकीमा 37.98 कर्णालीमा 23.93 र मधेसमा 25.86 सबैभन्दा बढी चाहिँ बागमतीमा र कम चाहिँ मधेसमा बागमतीमा 58.62 मधेसमा 25.86 एन्ड बागमती पछि लुम्बिनीमा बिएलएसके जिकेएम है त प्रोभिन्स लेभल फरेस्ट कभर चाहिँ यिनै हुन् त्यसपछि फिजियोग्राफिक ल्यान्ड कभर 2022 अनुसार तराईमा क्रोपल्यान्ड डोमिनेन्ट 65.40% शिवालिकमा चाहिँ फरेस्ट चाहिँ 73.67% मिडल माउन्टेनमा फरेस्ट चाहिँ 64.54% हाई माउन्टेनमा 57.20% हाई हिमाल ग्रासल्यान्ड डोमिनेन्टमा 41.59% ल्यान्ड कभर चेन्ज 2019 देखि 20 मा फरेस्ट प्लस बिल्ड अप प्लस ग्रासल्यान्ड चाहिँ 1.67 प्लस फरेस्ट भयो बिल्ड अप 2.70 प्लस ग्रासल्यान्ड 1.44 क्रोपल्यान्ड प्लस अदर वुडल्यान्ड 1.75 र 0.92 ले घटेको के हो and some other woodland and cropland converted to forest, some cropland converted into built-up, and bare rock mainly converted to grassland. Other woodland decrease in all physiographic region. Cropland decrease except in high mountain and high Himal. Built-up area increase in all regions, and forest cover के त forest cover increase in all geographic region, slightly decrease by 4123 hectares in Himal, and accuracy and reliability overall classification accuracy चाहिँ 84.97, ओभरअल कोपा स्टेसन 0.76 र 2022 मा ल्यान्ड कभर आइपिसिसी क्लासेस एक्युरेसी चाहिँ 89.13%, कोपा स्टेसन 0.81, 22 मा चाहिँ 2.81, झन्डै 90, 0.76. त्यहाँबाट सिग्निफिकेन्स चाहिँ प्रोभाइड्स इभिडेन्स बेस्ड गाइडलाइन्स फर पोलिसी मेकर्स and stakeholders for land resource management in Nepal. त्यसपछि बेसिक नलेज अन कम्प्युटर बेस्ड स्ट्याटिक्स प्याकेज डाटा प्रोसेसिङ एन्ड एनालाइसिस. कम्प्युटर बेस्ड स्ट्याटिक्स प्याकेज collection of software designed to assess in statistics analysis and data exploration, provide a unified operating framework and common interference, data manipulation and visualization, and statistical analysis. Example of software package and quantitative data analysis: Microsoft Excel, SPSS StatR, and qualitative data analysis मा चाहिँ NVivo for texture and audio visual data, geospatial data analysis में ArcGIS. Over the last 2 decades, more software packages have been developed for both qualitative and quantitative research, and data processing मा चाहिँ series of steps performed on data, verify accuracy, organize and transfer, integrate multiple data sources, extract data in a useful output format for later use, and data analysis मा चाहिँ action and method applied to data, describe phase and patterns, and develop explanation and test hypothesis. Basic principle, practice and techniques of remote sensing and GIS in forest management. Remote sensing, science, art and partially art of acquiring information about the earth surface without direct connect, process and element of के त रिमोट सेन्सिङ चाहिँ इनर्जी सोर्स, पहिला सोर्स अफ इनर्जी, सनलाइट एन्ड आर्टिफिसियल इल्युमिनेसन भयो, रेडिएसन एन्ड एटोमोस्फियर हुनु पर्यो, इन्टरेक्ट विथ एटोमोस्फियर हुनु पर्यो, इन्टरेक्सन विथ टार्गेट हुनु पर्यो, हाउ इनर्जी रिफ्लेक्ट अन इमिटेड फ्रम सर्फेस, इन्टरेक्ट विथ टार्गेट हुनु पर्यो. त्यसपछि रेकर्डिङ बाई सेन्सर, स्याटेलाइट और एरियल सेन्सर क्याप्चर डाटा हुनु पर्यो. ट्रान्समिसन एन्ड प्रोसेसिङमा स्याम्पलिङ एन्ड कन्भरिङ डाटा फर एनालाइसिस हुनु पर्यो. इन्टरप्रिटेसन एन्ड एनालाइसिसमा एक्सट्र्याक्टिङ मिनिङफुल इन्फर्मेसन हुनु पर्यो र एप्लिकेसन युजिङ डाटा फर डिसिजन मेकिङ. ओके, एन्ड जियोग्राफिक इन्फर्मेसन सिस्टममा चाहिँ computer based system for collecting, storing, manipulating, analyzing, displaying and querying geographic information. 5 main components चाहिँ hardware, software, data, people र analysis. hardware, software, data, people, analyze. र global positioning system, satellite based radio navigation systems provide accurate positioning, and around 24 operation satellite within 3 with 3-5 in reverse. 24 operational satellite, 3 to 5 reverse. And application of remote sensing, GIS and GPS in forest sector चाहिँ forest cover mapping and change analysis. forest cover को mapping र त्यसको change को analysis, species identification and mapping, forest resource statistics monitoring, sustainable forest management planning, forest health assessment, quality, density and crown, burn mapping and fire management, biomass estimation, rate plus relevance, monitoring forest development stage regeneration, spatial temporal forest monitoring, and land use and land cover change detection, detect change in land use change over time, and import for land conservation, sustainable development and forest water management, common land use land cover change detection method चाहिँ image overlay, classification, comparison of land cover statics, change vector analysis, principal component analysis, image rationaling, and normalize difference vegetation index NDVI difference भयो यिनीहरू भए। त्यसपछि गएर अब constraint of GPS application in Nepal, limited access to data, poor institutional arrangement and lack of trained human resources, weak infrastructure at district level, and limited limited on satellite systems, reliance on external satellite data. Key point चाहिँ GIS is indispensable for modern forest management, essential for planning, implementation and monitoring. Wider application depends on data availability, human resource capacity and institutional strengthening, and regional cooperation, SARC data and technology sharing, and principle and practice of forest resource survey, inventory and mapping means भन्नाले forest resource survey, examination and recording of forest resource, forest inventory, forest mapping. forest inventory चाहिँ systematic collection of forest data for assessment and analysis, preparation of map showing location and quantitative forest characteristics, and principle of forest resource survey, inventory and mapping चाहिँ provide information on forest type, species composition, devious distribution, volume, basal area and site quality, supply data for land use planning, assess current forest status for analysis and planning, form the basis for sustainable forest management, and step of forest inventory in Nepal. कस्तो कस्तो स्टेपहरु छ भन्दाखेरि aerial photo interpretation including satellite image, field verification, area estimation, determination of sample size and allocation to strata, random selection of plot location, field work planning, layout of sample plot in the field, measurement of plot, data analysis र report publication, principle of forest resource survey and mapping in Nepal. First national level inventory Nepal USAID cooperation 1963 मा भयो रहेछ है त नेशनल लेभल इन्भेन्टरी। तराई रिजल्ट 1967, हिल रिजल्ट 1973 र युज 2.2 into 10 miles rectangular grid, 2.2 into 10 miles rectangular grid। सेकेन्ड इन्भेन्टरी चाहिँ ल्यान्ड रिसोर्स म्यापिङ प्रोजेक्ट LRMP हो 1978-79 मा। वानली फरेस्ट एरिया स्ट्याटिक्स भएको थियो र थर्ड इन्भेन्टरी चाहिँ DFRS FRTC बाट विथ फिनल्यान्डले सपोर्ट गरेको थियो 1990s र 1998 मा युज एरियल फोटोज स्याटेलाइट डाटा एन्ड ग्राउन्ड प्लट लिएको थियो। फोर्थ इन्भेन्ट्री चाहिँ एफआरटिसीले नै फिनल्यान्डले सपोर्ट गर्यो 2010 देखि 2014 एन्ड स्केल अफ फरेस्ट इन्भेन्ट्री नेपाल इज नेसनल, रिजनल, लोकल 10 देखि 25 मिटर ग्रिड चाहिँ लोकल र स्मल स्केलहरू बनाएको थियो। त्यसपछि प्रिन्सिपल एन्ड एप्लिकेसन अफ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन इन फरेस्ट्री सेक्टर चाहिँ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइनको चाहिँ प्रिन्सिपल एन्ड एप्लिकेसन अफ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन इन फरेस्ट रिसर्च मीन experimental design plan and layout of experiment to ensure valid statistical analysis and effectives efficient estimation of treatment effect. Type of experimental design CRD, RCBD, LSD, factorial, nested design र split plot design है त। प्रिन्सिपल अफ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन चाहिँ रेन्डमाइजेसन, रिप्लिकेसन एन्ड लोकल कन्ट्रोल। रेन्डमाइजेसनमा एसएस ट्रिटमेन्ट टु एक्सपेरिमेन्टल युनिट randomly to eliminate bias. Okay, replication applied treatment to multiple unit to increase precision, and local control भने चाहिँ error minimize extraneous variation within block for accurate result. Application of every experimental design in forestry is germination test of seed, regeneration potential under different silviculture system, effect of thinning of diameter and height growth, effect of grazing, control grazing and closure, impact of forest fire on forest quantity and quality, and locally effect on seed production in seed orchard, selection of silviculture management system for regeneration, choice of tree species for plantation by site, wood production under different management regimes, testing nursery techniques, and key points चाहिँ randomization plus replication, valid estimate of experimental error, and replication plus local control चाहिँ reduce experimental error. एक्सपेरिमेन्टल इरर चाहिँ रिड्युस गर्छ रिप्लिकेसन प्लस लोकल कन्ट्रोलले र ऱ्यान्डोमाइजेसन प्लस रिप्लिकेसनले भ्यालिड इस्टिमेटेड अफ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल इरर. साथमा इम्पोर्टेन्ट अफ फरेस्ट जेनेटिक एन्ड ट्री इम्प्रुभमेन्ट. ओके, ट्री इम्प्रुभमेन्ट फरेस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट अफ फरेस्ट जेनेटिक्स एन्ड ट्री इम्प्रुभमेन्ट. डिफिनेसन फरेस्ट जेनेटिक्स study of genes, genetic diversity and heredity in forestry. Tree improvement application of forest genetics principle to manage parentage and improve forest outcomes. अब त्यसपछि natural forest with self propagated indigenous species, forest established by sowing or planting, and importance improve forest yield and quality, and modified inherent pattern of desirable trait, enhance variability toward desired characteristics, produce viable seed with higher seed weight, and achieve desired trait such as straight, bold, dense woods, develop tree suitable for different site or adverse conditions, and ensure fast growing in short time, and improve wood quality for timber, paper, pulp and other use, and completely randomized design. Treatment are assigned randomly all experimental unit. Treatment are assigned randomly all experimental unit, and key feature चाहिँ simple random allocation, all unit have equal chance, and example in forestry test three type of fertilizer just on 30 uniform seedling. Each seedling randomly assigned a fertilizer type. Okay, and advantage is easy to implement, minimal planting, and disadvantage is sensitive to variation among units, not suitable for heterogeneous site, and randomize complete block design. Unit area grouped into homogeneous blocks, treatment randomly, and block control variably. Each treatment appears once per blocks, and testing 4 tree species in different altitudinal block is species. Reduce experimental error, good for heterogeneous field. More planning requires need proper blocking, and assign with block randomly planted within each blocks भनेको त्यसपछि गएर Latin square design. Treatment arranged in a square. Each treatment occurs in each row and column. Control two sources of variability simultaneously. Testing for irrigation level on tree group while controlling for altitude and soil type. Each treatment appears once in each row altitude and column soil types, and efficient controls two sources of variation only for equal number of treatments set up complex, and त्यसपछि हुन्छ फ्याक्टोरियल डिजाइन चाहिँ all possible combination of two or more factor tested हुन्छ. Can study interaction between factor. Testing two fertilizers, 3 irrigations levels on tree, grow 2 into 3 is equals to 6 treatment combinations, and can study interaction effective efficient for multi-factors, and complex analysis more experimental unit requires. Split plot design. Main treatment applied to large plot, sub treatments applied to subplots. Useful when one factor is hard to change. Main plot, tree species subplot. Fertilizers levels. Fertilizer earlier to applied in subplot than plot species, and save labor and cost for hard to change factor. Loss precision for subplot. Analysis more complicated, and nested design. Experimental unit nested within higher level unit. Hierarchical structure, and measuring seed quality for multiple mother tree nested within different forest extent. Useful when unit naturally grouped, and complex analysis not widely used, and repeated measures longitudinal design. Same unit measured repeatedly over time. Control variability due to individual difference. Measuring annual diameter growth of the same 50 trees under different treatment for 5 years. Efficient for time-based study. Require careful planning, may have carryover effect, and research extension and development. Cylindrical process in forestry. Research solution. Research generate new knowledge, technique, and solution to address forest challenge. And extension disseminates research finding to communicate forest management and stakeholder through training, workshops, demonstration, and awareness program. And development forest development application research finding in real world forestry practice to improve forest management, productivity, and livelihood. Cylindrical cyclical nature research identifies problems and develop solution. Extension communicates and um, teaches these solutions. And development applies the solution on the ground. त्यसपछि practice experience from development inform new research, continue the cycle. And the outcomes continuous improvement in forest sector, forest productivity, sustainability, and resource management. Example: research development of drought tolerant tree species. And extension training community on planning and care techniques. And development successful plantation in degraded area, better forest cover, and insight for further research. And category चाहिँ ट्री forest feature चाहिँ attribute measures. And nature stand high devious crown from girth. And plantation high devious crown from girth. Objective to assess the volume and biomass of individual tree. And त्यसपछि गएर फरेस्ट चाहिँ फरेस्टमा चाहिँ इन्भेन्टरी एप्रोच, total enumeration or appropriate sampling, total enumeration or appropriate sampling, to know about the stocking and status of the forest. And inventory technique of non-timber forest product चाहिँ all forest product other than timber and fuel are called NTIP. Nepal has formulated NTIP गैरकाष्ठ वन पैदावार र सर्वेक्षण मार्गदर्शन 2068 for the inventory of NTIP. Inventory of Nepal's is more complex and species specific based on parts use, habitat, and species characteristics compared to tree species. The major step of NTIP inventory as stand in the guidelines are summarized below. Key step of NTIP resource inventory के हुन् भन्दाखेरि consultation with DFO and stakeholder. consultation गर्नु पर्यो. Familiarities DFO and CFUC regarding the objective of NTIP resource assessment. Provide information on distribution of NTIP and forest conditions. And condition help in managing local resource person required for NTIP inventory. And boundary demarcation and area determination of forest area. Use pre-existing boundary map and area if available. If not available, use participatory resource mapping or GPS survey for boundary demarcation and area demarcation. And अर्को छ first video the forest area into block as in the community forest blocking systems. And based on availability and life cycle of NTIP, each block is further divided into sub blocks. Sub blocks are specific species specific. If Lokta and Chiraito are available in block number 1, then the block is divided into 7 sub block for Lokta and 3 sub block for Chiraito. Sampling either systematic or random sampling method is employed. सेप अफ स्याम्पल प्लट सर्कुलर, रेक्ट्याङ्गुलर, स्क्वायर आर कम्पोजिट। साइज अफ स्याम्पल प्लट चाहिँ ट्रीको लागि 100 देखि 500, पोलको लागि 100, त्यसपछि स्याम्पलको लागि 25, स्याम्पल क्लाइम्बर एन्ड सरपको लागि 25, रिजिनेसन एन्ड हबको लागि 4 देखि 25, त्यसपछि स्याम्पलिङ इन्टेन्सिटी 0.01 देखि 1% एन्ड लेआउट अफ स्याम्पल प्लट प्यारलल ट्रान्जिट लाइन एन्ड डाटा एनालाइसिस frequency, relative frequency, density, relative density, basal area, relative basal area, coverage, important value index, sample inventory techniques of NTIP. Okay, inventory techniques of NTIP vary based on the parts collected as described. गैरकाठ वन पैदावार को स्रोत सर्वेक्षण मार्गदर्शन 2068। अब स्याम्पलिङ इन्टेन्सिटी, फरेस्ट साइज 100 हेक्टर भन्दा बढी, ट्री टिम्बर और नन टिम्बरको लागि 1 र 100 देखि 500 0.5 र 500 भन्दा माथि 0.1 देखि 0.5 र सरब एन्ड नन टिम्बरको लागि 0.5 र 0.51 र हर्बको लागि 0.05 देखि 0.1 र 0.05 र 0.1। ओके, स्याम्पल प्लट साइज फर इन्भेन्ट्री अफ नेपाल एनटिआइपी। स्याम्पल प्लट साइज हर्ब प्लट चाहिँ 25 मिटर स्क्वायर, रिजनेसन हर्ब रेक्ट्याङ्गुलर 5x5, सर्कुलर 2x2.82 इफ हाइली स्क्याटर्ड, एन्ड सरबको लागि 100 मिटर स्क्वायर 10x10 5.64 इफ नर्मल, ट्री को लागि 30 सेन्टिमिटर भन्दा बढी डायमिटर 50 20x25 12.61 लेखा छ 61 र म्याच्योर ट्री को लागि ट्री 10 देखि 30 चाहिँ 100 र 10x10 र 5.64 पोल साइज ट्री को लागि। इन्भेन्टरी techniques of Nepal. Inventory sampling techniques of non-timber forest product vary based on the part collected. According to the NTIP Resource Inventory Guidelines 2069, the community use inventory techniques are systematic sampling, stratified systematic sampling, and stratified random sampling. Meaning, sample plot are laid at fixed regular interval over the entire area भने systematic sampling भयो। Stratified systematic sampling, forest area is first divided into homogeneous strata, then systematic sampling is applied within each stratum भयो। त्यसपछि stratified मा forest area is first divided into strata and then sample plot are के त selected randomly within each stratum भयो। त्यसपछि stratification not done, पहिला चाहिँ हाम्रो सिस्टमेटिक स्याम्पलिङमा गर्नु पर्दैन स्ट्राटिफिकेसन र अरु सबैमा गर्नुपर्छ। त्यसपछि प्लट लोकेसन फिक्स प्याटर्नमा हुन्छ, ग्रिड इन्टरभल बेसमा हुन्छ र फिक्स इन्टरभलमा हुन्छ विथ इच स्ट्राटम र र्यान्डमली सेलेक्टेड हुन्छ विथिन इच स्ट्राटम। त्यसपछि गएर चाहिँ त्यसपछि रिप्रेजेन्टेसन चाहिँ मोडुलेट रिप्रेजेन्टेसन अफ भेरिएसन हुनु पर्यो र गुड रिप्रेजेन्टेसन अफ डिफरेन्ट ह्याबिटाट टाइपको हुनु पर्यो र भेरी गुड रिप्रेजेन्टेसन मिनिमाइज बेसिस हुनु पर्यो। स्याम्पलिङ बेसिस चाहिँ मे कोइन्साइड विथ पिरियोडिक प्याटर्नमा हुनु पर्यो स्याम्पलिङ बेसिस। लस बेसिक देन सिस्टमेटिक स्याम्पलिङ र लिस्ट बेसिक हुनु पर्यो। कम्प्लेक्सिटी हुनु पर्यो सिम्पल एन्ड इजी टु एप्लाई, मोडुलेटली कम्प्लेक्स हुन्छ र मोस्ट कम्प्लेक्स हुन्छ। एक्युरेसी मोडुलेट हुन्छ, हाई हुन्छ, भेरी हाई हुन्छ र टाइम एन्ड कस्ट चाहिँ लिस्ट टाइम कन्ज्युमिङ एन्ड लो कस्ट हुन्छ, मोडुलेट टाइम एन्ड कस्ट हुन्छ, हाई टाइम एन्ड कस्ट हुन्छ। सुइटेबिलिटी फर एनटिआइपी चाहिँ सुइटेबल व्हेन एनटिआइपी आर युनिफर्मली डिस्ट्रिब्युटेड use for uniform forest, and suitable wind and TAP vary by habitat altitudes. Best balance of accuracy and feasibility. Suitable wind and TAP are highly variable, and a patch is most accurate but costly. And principle and practice of forest survey. Our principle and practice of forest survey. Principle of practice and forest survey.